The iPhone XR was released in late 2018, and at the time of this video, it starts at $449 for the 64GB and $549 for the 128GB model. This is currently the cheapest iPhone that Apple sells that does not have a home button. Now in terms of the display, it has a 6.1-inch Retina HD display. Now the iPhone XR does have an LCD display as opposed to the LED display that comes with all of the other iPhones, which is the reason why the quality of the screen is slightly lower, as LED displays tend to produce more high quality screen outputs. Although the resolution is lower than some of Apple's phones, you won't really notice the lower quality at all, which makes this phone more desirable. This iPhone also comes with a True Tone display, which will automatically change the display colors and contrasts to match the environment that you are in. For example, if you are in a warmer or yellower environment, color-wise, the display will automatically change itself to a more yellow, warmer color, and scientifically it should be better for your eyes. And since we are on that subject, the display also comes with a night shift mode, and what that basically is that when you turn it on, it will turn off the blue light and change the display to a more yellow color, making it easier on the eyes. It's recommended that you turn it on 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to sleep because it allows you to sleep much faster. Now, what about the battery life? According to Apple, you should get up to 16 hours of playback, which should last you a full day's worth of use. Now, I've had this iPhone XR for about 2.5 years now, and unfortunately the battery health had dropped down to 89%, resulting in less battery performance. But with mild usage, I found out that it still lasts me all day. Now in terms of the performance, the iPhone XR has the A12 Bionic chip, and it still receives software updates from Apple, and will continue to receive updates for years to come. It's a pretty fast and responsive phone that can definitely be comparable to today's phones. Now, how durable is the iPhone XR? Ever since I got the phone in early 2019, I've always had a case on it, so personally durability wasn't much of a concern for me. But over the months I've realized that small grits, sand, and dust had gotten into the case and onto the phone between the glass back. And to my surprise, there was barely any scratches, if any at all. So I would definitely say that it's pretty durable, but I would wear a case just for good measure. It is also IP67 rated, which basically means that it is water resistant in 1 meter of water, but I would definitely not recommend going swimming with this phone. Now, what about the camera? The XR comes with a 12 megapixel wide camera, which is a great camera, especially for the price. I actually filmed this review as well as many of my past videos with the XR. Unfortunately for the iPhone XR, it does not come with telephoto lens, but trust me, for the ordinary user, it is an excellent camera.